Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to deposit money onto Binance US. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is deposit money into my account, but you can't do that until you add some sort of payment method. So at the very bottom right, you see that person icon. So we're going to click on that. Okay, here on the screen, you'll see several tabs here. One of the options is linked accounts. So as you can see, I already have a linked account option. I'm going to blur that out just for privacy reasons, but you would hit that plus icon where it says add payment method. So I'm going to click on that. I've clicked on add payment method. So you have several options to adding a way to deposit money onto Binance. You could do ACH, wires, or add a debit card. So after you've done that, go back to the screen that I had before. Now we're under the very center icon where you see that credit card icon. So now, as you can see, my portfolio balance is 0. So I'm going to click on US dollars, and now I'm going to deposit US dollars. So click on that. Okay, now it gives you an option of like how much you want to deposit from your payment method. So the minimum amount you have to deposit onto Binance is $10. So let's type in $10 and preview deposit. So here you see that I am depositing $10 onto my Binance account. It gives you a deposit from, the amount, any fees that you could accrue, and how much I'll receive. So I'll receive the full $10 with this ACH deposit. So I'm going to click on deposit. To prevent risk of chargebacks, note that your ACH deposit can't be withdrawn for 10 days in USD or crypto. Go to wallet. Oh, and look at that. Actually, my US dollars is actually in my portfolio value. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and be sure to use my referral link when signing up for a Binance account. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.